my first graders. How are you doing? I'm really good. With this video, I'm going to show you more uses of the past simple and the past continuous. Be prepared to start. First, the past simple. Remember, the past simple refers to a finished time. Example, we lived in Japan from 1995 to 1998. This sentence is referring to a time period that started in the past and ended in the past. Another use of the past simple is referring to a definite time. Example, I saw the Eiffel Tower in 2007. The other use of the simple past is referring to a series of finished actions. Example, firstly, he read the book and then he watched the movie. And finally, the last use of the simple past, it is referring to a repeated action. Example, he went to the cinema every weekend last year. Now, there are clue words that are helping you to define that a sentence is referring to an action in the simple past. And indeed, these clue words are called time phrases. Some examples are yesterday, ago, in 1994, in the 20th century, in July, on Monday, etc. How can we use the simple past? Well, for example, if you're telling a story about what you did someday in your past life, it's important when you are writing that you use the verb in the simple past. You need to change it from the infinitive to the simple past. And also, it's important to remember that verbs can be regular verbs or irregular verbs. What is the way to form the past continuous? Take the verb be and write the past, was or were, plus the verb with the ending ing. When do we use the past continuous? These are the uses of the past continuous. Interrupted action in the past. Parallel actions. A series of parallel actions. Story background. Past habit. Emphasis of length of action, and arrangement in the past. In the image, you can find a summary of what I have explained you before. Observe carefully each one of the uses of the past continuous tense. The image is providing also an example for each one of the uses. Now observe attentively to the time markers. These are the clue words which are showing you that these sentences are referring to the past continuous tense. These time markers are when, while, always, constantly, at that time, in those days, all day, all the morning, all evening, for hours, at this time,